Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a LED headlight conversion and fog light conversion on a 2023 Promaster. And what I found out is that on the 23s, they changed the type of bulbs that are in the headlights and the fog lights. So if you're ordering headlights, don't do like I did and ordered from a 2022 and below, you'll get the wrong bulbs. So these are the correct bulbs you want to order, which is for the headlights. I got this Foreigner LED lighting kit that you can get on Amazon, and I will have links below in the description to everything I use. And so it's a combo kit, which is the low beam and high beam. So the low beams on a 23 Promaster is an H11, and the high beam is a 9005 type bulb. And for the fog lights, they used to be a H11 on the fog, but on the 23s now, they are a 2504 type bulb or a PSX 24W. So those two are interchangeable. So what I'm going to be doing today is going and installing these and replacing the halogens with these LEDs. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and remove the headlight. First, you pop the hood. And I'm just going to bring you in for a quick closer look. So basically, there's two screws that need to be removed, which is this one here, which is a Torx 30, and right here, which is the same. So I'm going to go ahead and get the tools, unbolt those, and I should be able to pop this out. There we go. One. With the second bolt. Second one here. Now, so you slide it that way, and there's a plug here. You have to unplug it, and pretty simple. It's popped off, and there we go. Bam. So you had to unplug the wire plug here, which is right here. You just press the little clip down to release it. Came right off, no problem. So I'm going to take this, bring it over to the table, and I'm going to do the same for the other side as well. One, two, that was a little right here. Oh, okay. Okay, now we're going to remove the high and low beam from the driver's side video. And all you do is remove the covers, which you should just unscrew. Simple. One, two, with the covers removed and the plugs unplugged. All you have to do is just turn it counterclockwise to remove the bulbs. So here's one. These are an H11. And I'm going to set that aside. And then the high beam is a 9005 HB3 type bulb. So okay, have the headlights on the table, the bulbs taken out. I'm going to go ahead and put on these white gloves that the headlights come with. Probably don't need to wear these as long as you don't touch the LED chips, but just for the video, I'm going to put them on. All right, so I'm going to install the 9005 low beams first. Is that good view? Yeah. So here is a 9005. See, it has a fan on the back to keep it cool. So the 9005, so the 9005s are the high beams. Sorry if I said low beams. So the high beams will go into the furthest. Okay, and all we do is clip on the bulb to the wire plug and insert the housing. Turn it clockwise. And there we go. So high beam done. Go ahead and get the low beams in. Before clip in. Same as the high beam. Go in a little counterclock, then turn it clockwise. There we go. Then all you have to do is put the protective caps back on. And one side is complete, and we just do the other side. I had lost audio in this section of the video, so now we're on the passenger headlight and going to be installing the high beam 9005 HB3 type LED, and I'm just clipping it to the wire plug and trying and installing it into the headlamp, and I found that it was a little loose. So to fix that, what you do is you take an O-ring and just slide it over the top of the LED bulb as you see, and just slide it all the way back. That way when you reinsert it back into the headlight, it gives more pressure so that it can lock in snugly. And so we just insert it back in, Give it a little turn clockwise to lock it in, and now it fits snug. And now we're going to the low beams, the H11s, same as the other side. Just clip it in. Make sure it's snug. Then insert it into the headlight, aligning the tabs, and then turn it clockwise to lock it in. And that completes installing the lights on the passenger side. Then install the dust caps. And now we're finished. And now I'm going to go ahead and install these back onto the van, and I'm just going to speed through this as it's just a reverse process of taking them out. And there we go. LED conversion complete. Replaced both high-low beams on the headlights and replaced the fog lights. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take you around. I'm going to turn them on and take a little test drive, and then I'll do a before-after with the old halogens, or maybe a side-by-side with the halogens and the LEDs, and compare them, and we'll see how it goes. So starting out, I'm going to turn them on, just the headlights, and you can already tell it's much better. It's nice and white, illuminates. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the fogs. Now it illuminates the front beginning piece right there, you could see, and now it's all the way through. Let's just give the high beams a little tap. Oh yeah, that looks nice. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and do a quick little drive. And what's nice about this is when you turn, it does light up the side of the fog that you're turning with. So you can see there it turned on. So I'm going to go ahead and light up the fogs. And we have no error codes showing up, so the headlights are compatible. And the beam looks nice. It's less to the left so you don't blind oncoming traffic. I hope this video was informative and it gave you insight on which bulbs to use for the 23 Promaster. That way you don't do what I did. As I said before, I ordered the wrong bulbs for the previous years and they changed it up on the 23s. So I will have a link in the description to the fogs and the headlights that you need. And go ahead and give this a like and subscribe, and I will have more videos to come.